So now in this session, I will explain you how can we create the ABAP instance and service key. So just a minute, let me connect my charger. Yeah. So just click on this link on this sub account. Then it will come here. Click on this instance and subscription link. Okay. So here we will create the instance. How can we create? Just click on this create. Select service ABAP. Okay, then plan will be shared. That is correct. Yeah, that is also correct. Instance name, suppose we are passing ABAP. Then next. Okay, email ID. Same email ID that we used to create the BTP account. We will pass it here. Then next. Okay, then create. So it will create a instance. Okay. So now this instance is created. You can see the creation is in progress. So let's wait. Now, okay, that is done. So now next step is we have to create the service key. Okay, so let me show you here. This is service key. Through the service key, we can create the connection in Eclipse. ABAP connection for cloud project. Create. Now service key name and upload the JSON file. Okay, service key name, suppose ABAP, then create. We will not upload any JSON. We will just pass the name. Okay, so this is your service key name. Creation is in progress. So first we have to create the BTP account. Okay, SAP account first we'll create, then we'll create the BTP trial account. Then after creating the BTP trial account, we need to create the ABAP instance and then we will create the service key. Now you can see view, and through this JSON file, we can create the connection in Eclipse. So that I will explain in the next session, but let me give you the overview here. You can just copy this JSON, copy JSON or then. So this is the first account I created. Now project. Let me show you the steps here. Wait a minute. It is not showing me create project. Okay. Yeah. So you can see here ABAP cloud project. Now just click on this. Do you have the service key? Yeah, we do have. Extract the URL from the service key. You can paste your JSON file and just copy this URL. Okay. Then copy this URL and paste it here. Then next, copy logon URL and you can pass it here just for the authentication. It will ask us the login details. That is done. Okay, because this is already open here. Now this is done. We can change the name. It is like suppose demo server. Add project to the working set, then finish. So this project is created. Now let me show you. Project. Open project from file system. So suppose you are not getting the folders here, means project folders. then you can just reset your perspective. Reset. Now it will show you the folder name, means projects. So we created two projects here, and now you can use this connection and you can work. You can create end-to-end application. So in the next session, I will explain further steps. Thank you.